Wilton is a particular kind of place. It is not the most prominent address in Fairfield County. It is something more valuable, one of the most genuinely community-minded. The family that has built its life in Wilton, the exceptional public schools, Rolling Hills Country Club, the Lake Club, the Cider Mill, Weir Farm, National Historical Park, the civic organizations that hold a town of 18,000 together with real relationships, does not evaluate Florida the way Greenwich evaluates it or the way Darien does. Wilton evaluates Florida the way it evaluates everything, with practicality, with groundedness, and with a clear-eyed understanding of what actually matters in a life well organized. I am Vance Brinkerhoff. Ben Bryke and I are both Connecticut natives, 35 years on Vero Beach's Barrier Island. I served as president of the Realtors Association of Indian River County in 2017. We have guided more than 2,000 transactions and verified over $1.2 billion in sales through Real Trends. And I want to address Wilton families specifically because Vero Beach has a precise answer to each of the questions they actually ask. White Plains Airport is 22 miles from Wilton, 34 minutes by car. Breeze Airways operates direct nonstop service from White Plains to Vero Beach Regional Airport. JetBlue launched daily nonstop service from JFK in December 2025. American Airlines began Charlotte service in February 2026. 3 carriers, door-to-door from Wilton to Grand Harbor or Sea Oaks, under 4 hours. The equivalent trip to Palm Beach, 5 to 6 hours. That is not a marginal difference. It is the operational foundation of a Florida property relationship that actually delivers on its promise. The tax case. Connecticut's top income tax rate is 6.99% on income above $500,000. Florida's is 0 on $1 million in annual income, more than $64,000 per year in avoided state income tax from a valid Florida domicile. Sustained compounding. Connecticut also imposes an estate tax at rates up to 12%. Florida does not. For Wilton families whose financial discipline has compounded quietly over decades, these numbers represent something precise, the freedom to choose on their own terms. The clubs, Grand Harbor Golf and Beach Club, mirrors the best of Wilton's club life. 2 Pete Dye and Joe Lee Championship golf courses, the Lake Club's tennis culture with 16 Hartrue courts, a 161-slip marina, and a private staffed oceanfront beach club. Sea Oaks Beach and Tennis Club mirrors the Lake Club's tennis-first identity on a barrier island available in January. Woodway Country Club members find in Grand Harbor the year-round equivalent of what Woodway's seasonal beach club provides only in summer. The cultural infrastructure. The Vero Beach Museum of Art was named the best-attended small museum in the nation. McKee Botanical Garden by the Olmsted Brothers firm. Riverside Theater, Broadway quality programming since 1974. Cleveland Clinic Indian River, 10 minutes from the barrier island. The price, comparable Palm Beach communities cost 2 to 3 times more. Vero Beach Barrier Island median sold price, $1,538,000. We work with the top Coldwell Banker Global Luxury Realtors in Wilton. Sell high in Wilton, buy smart in Vero Beach. Vero Premier Properties, Coldwell Banker Global Luxury, $1.2 billion in verified sales. Top 1.5% nationally. Vance Brinkerhoff, 7729133426, or call Ben at 7727139455 or visit FloridaEastCoastLuxuryHomes.com.